pictures actually. This go direct to the. I know this road by bike. I got a picture here. Yeah, I cycling like 2 weeks ago.
Oh yeah, on the Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday. Yeah. This is D33.
D33.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, it's D33. Go to direct to the castle.
You have to turn left.
Yeah, you have to turn left in the castle. Yeah. Oh yeah, I know this road. Yeah. This go to another castle.
Yeah. We're driving to the castle.
Yeah.
That's so far from here now.
Yeah, I know this road. I know. Yes. I was so happy when I drive. Like I just after the storm, you know. So.
Ouais, c'est la 33, ouais. Allez, là. Pourquoi ça clignote?
Hein?
Pourquoi il clignote? Est-ce que tu es en train de filmer?
Ouais.
Ouais. Allez, pousse.
And the castle is around there.
Yeah, on the left, yeah. Directly there.
Yeah. There's any roads like this road go there? Or?
Yeah, probably.